Assalamu alaikum dear learners. Eid Mubarak. How are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear learners, today we learn about articles. We know that a, an and the are called articles. Articles are two kinds: indefinite article and definite article. Today we will learn about the use of indefinite article. A and N are called indefinite article. Before knowing indefinite article, we have to have the knowledge of vowels and consonant. We know that A, E, I, U, U, these 5 letters are called vowels, and all other letters are known as consonants. Okay, dear learners. Now come to the use of A. A is used before consonant. A, book. Here the first letter of book is B. B is consonant, so A is used here. We also can use a pen. The first letter is P. P is consonant, so we use A. Okay, dear learners, I hope that you can understand that if the first letter of a word is consonant, we should use A. Then come to the use of N. N, apple. N, ink pot. N, Englishman. And umbrella. And orange. So we have come to know that if a word starts with vowel, we use, before it we use N. All these words starts with vowel. The first letter is vowel, so we use N. So dear learners, these are the general rule of using indefinite articles. But in spite of being vowels, sometimes we use A before vowel. These are depends on the sounds of the word. If look at the difference of these two words, orange, one. The first letter is here vowel, here is also first letter vowel, but this first letter sounds like O. This first letter O sounds like O. If there is any O at the beginning of a word, but if it sounds like O, we have to use, before it we have to use N. But if it sounds like O, we have to use A. Like this, we can say umbrella, university. Here the first letter is vowel, here the first letter is also vowel, but here U sounds like A. Here U sounds like U. if the first letter is U of any word and it sounds like A, before it we should use N. But if it sounds like U, we have to use A. Okay? These are the difference. This difference depends on the sounds of the word. We can also use this difference with the other vowels. Suppose an Englishman, an Englishman, a European. Okay, there the first letter of this word, an Englishman, is E. This is vowel. European, here the first letter is E. This is also vowel. But here English sounds like E, and here European sounds like, the E sounds like U. The first E sounds like E, here first E sounds like U. If any word starts with E and it sounds like E, we should use N. But if it sounds like U, we should use A. So the use of article A or N depends on the sounds of the word. Not always depends on vowels or consonant. This is applicable in case of consonant also. Now we will use the use of A. We know that A is used before consonant. Abok. Here the first letter is B. That is why we use A. But if we say an honest man, honest man, here the first letter is also consonant, but we have to use N because the first letter is here silent. Here S is silent, and S sounds like O. So O is vowel. Here vowel sounds come first. That is why, in spite of being consonant, the beginning letter, in spite of being consonant, we have to use N. Like this, we can also say N, M, B, B, S, MBBS, and MP. Here the first letter of the abbreviation is consonant, but they sounds like vowel. Here A come first, M. A come first. That is why, in spite of being consonant, we have to use N, because the sounds is like vowel. Okay, dear learners, not all abbreviation we cannot use. With not all abbreviation we can use N. There are some abbreviation, those abbreviation starts with B, P or D. We have to, before them we have to use A. E is A, B, A. Here consonant sound come first. B, then E. Like this. E is A, D, C. Okay, dear learners, we can also say E is a PhD. Okay. So we have come to know that the use of indefinite articles sometimes depends on the sounds of the first letters. If the sounds of the first letters like the vowel sounds, we have to use N. But if the first letters sounds like consonant, we have to use A. I hope that, dear learners, you can learn more about articles, especially the use of indefinite articles. In the next class, inshallah, we will discuss on the definite articles. Wishing you good luck. I would like to draw the conclusion of my today's lecture. See you again. Bye.